All right, well, since they are scared, I'll take my stock little two-door four-wheel drive XJ through it.
I'm just trying to get a feel.
They're scared. They're scared. Scared and more scared. So, stock XJ.
You're a fucking idiot.
Are you gonna start your intro or should I start mine?
Good
morning,
boys
and girls.
Boys and girls.
Welcome back to the channel.
Dude, what the hell is that?
We've got Andy, Diablo Formula Racing here, because he thinks his truck is big and bad because he got some moved bumpers on it, and a little.
Not just the moved bumpers.
And I'm gonna.
It's the tread right tires. It's the rough country lift kit.
Jump.
It's.
What? No,
a little bit of everything.
There was something in my throat,
Really?
and then obviously
and balls.
and then obviously we got Mud Junkie 99.
Seconds, so we're good. I can cuss all I want now.
Yeah, Mud Junkie 99 has been talking a little bit of heat on the old Yukon here.
Yeah, because that Yukon's a piece of crap.
And he thinks he can make it
Wait,
through.
you're gonna take the Yukon through there?
He thinks he can make it.
I want to see him do it first before I even go through that. Dude, if you think you're gonna make it through that.
I think it's gonna make it. As long as he stays out of the throttle and doesn't break anything, it'll go.
Listen, if he makes it through with these shot-ass tires,
he's good.
Hey, I got a better chance.
I'll be able to go through at 10 mile an hour.
You do not have a better chance than the Denali.
Are you? Look at these tires. Look at these tires.
Not
compared to these tires. Look,
those tires are junk.
these tires are not junk.
They look like Walmart brand.
Look at the wear. Look at how much tread there is.
I'll edit that out.
Tons of tread. I'll put it in there. I don't care.
Tread does not matter when you're big and heavy.
I'm not big and heavy. I took the pap cap off.
You took the pap cap off and then added 200 pounds of bumpers. This guy thinks it's my first rodeo.
It is.
Unbelievable.
How many
And
times have you got
took the cap off and then put a freaking toolbox up here with a bunch of recovery gear.
Oh yeah. Well, I'm going to show.
You added weight.
I'm going to show him the recovery gear in this video because I need to show him the recovery gear.
So I've learned that a lot of my friends aren't as hillbilly as I am. They aren't as redneck as I am, but they think they are, and we're going to learn today.
We're going to show you the recovery gear first, just in case.
Yeah, you're going to need the recovery gear.
I'm not going to need the recovery gear, but I'm going to show it to him just in case we need it.
Oh, I should have brought the Blazer up here.
Go get it.
I got the Jeep. It's fine. I'll play with the Jeep. I do have. That's the only downside right now is I have too many toys and I didn't know what to bring up. Obviously, I wanted to bring something stock up. That way I can kind of humiliate these two when they get stuck. Drive right around them in my stock XJ. Drive right around them in my stock XJ.
Drive right around them in my stock XJ.
He knows why.
Why?
Because where the excursion got stuck, it's a little dip right there.
Where?
Like right in the center. Like right here is a dip.
The valley there.
Yeah, like right in the center. You got to stay in the throttle right in the center.
Huh. Okay, Cam, go for it, buddy.
I think Cam should go first.
I think so too, because he's had experience and I'm a newbie.
He has been here before.
I'm just saying, and it's not your vehicle, so what do you care?
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is. He bought it off me.
Oh shit!
Yeah, he bought it off me, so I don't care if he takes it in now. Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
If you guys do not know, Mud Junkie 99 did buy the old Yukon off of me. So at this rate, it's his. I don't care what he does.
He's like, I don't even give a fuck. Why is Zach calling me?
All right, I'll see you when you get out there.
Hold on, Zach's calling.
I'll see you when I see you.
We're losing daylight. Get in the puddle, Andy.
I'm getting
see?
fucking harassed now.
Yeah. All right, I'll see you when you get over here. I'll be here.
I don't know which way to go. That's why I need him to go.
You do know how to go.
No, I don't.
You just drive in and you're gonna come to us.
Hill, and I'm like, is this the way I'm supposed to?
You're not gonna. If you go up that hill, you got a hell of a truck because the hill's steeper than this over there.
Stop.
Come on, Andy.
I thought you were gonna do it first.
I don't need to. I have
Yeah,
a stock Jeep.
I want to see you go through it.
Yeah, then why'd you bring it up?
Yeah, why'd you bring your Jeep up here then? You could have driven with me.
They're silly. Just somebody go through this thing.
Go ahead, Steve.
All right, drop your comments down below right now. Who do you think's gonna go first? In 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
0. Done, sir, done.
All right, well, they're obviously scared to go through this. And I don't know why, because it's not, I mean, it's deep, but it's not really as deep as they think it is. Or they're just scared to get stuck, knowing darn well I'll pull them out. But we'll send our Jeep down through. Stock little XJ. It's about to show up these two big bad lifted Jeeps. Like, this one is 100% stock too, guys and girls. There's no tricks to it. There's no lockers. There's nothing. I literally just bought it and it's stock. Okay, it's a little higher than I thought. A little higher than I thought. And we're waterlogged. Unbelievable. Oh boy, this was a mistake. Oh, the water's coming in. Oh. Oh. Okay, maybe they were right. Oh, this was a bad idea. Oh, this was a bad idea. Hey guys, it's a little deeper than it looks. Oh boy. I definitely just hydrolocked this thing. Stay tuned. Now we got a recovery. Damn it.
Holy shit, he's out there.
What happened?
One of you guys is gonna have to.
What happened, buddy? You want me to throw you my winch? I'll yank you out with the winch.
Dude, it's like my seat's underwater.
Dude, and you wanted me to go in there?
Yeah,
You're crazy.
it's not that bad.
It looks like
That
it's
looks
that
pretty
bad.
bad. That looks terrible.
Can you guys get me out?
I can get you out. I can run the winch out. It's 100 feet, so I can position myself up there and I can get you out of there. Can you hook up to your bumper or something?
I think this has a hitch. I can reach under and hook it to
All right. Well, I guess
It's recovery time.
it's a recovery time now.
Oh my god. Dumbest thing ever. Let's take my stock two-door Jeep and show these boys how to off-road.
You showed us, all right.
I can't wait to see all the water coming out. Don't worry, it's shut off in neutral, so it's good.
She's good to go.
Well, I officially messed up big time with my two-door Jeep. Water's starting to go out of it. Huge shout out to Andy, Diablo Formula Racing, for being here and yanking us out. I'm cold as heck, I'm not gonna lie. This is kind of miserable. What are you doing? Get me out of here. Oh boy. Oh man, I really messed up. Oh, the steering wheel locked. I tried to keep the steering wheel off so electronics didn't get absolutely destroyed. And he's over here getting his video footage. Oh, this is terrible. This is absolutely terrible. Oh my gosh. Why does it keep stopping? Get me out. Yeah. We've got enough footage, Andy. Get me out. Stop stopping! Get me the hell out of here! Unbelievable. I'm free! Keep going. Yeah. I'm super cold. Super, super cold, actually. This was a silly decision on my behalf. I gotta let some of this water out. Oh. Hold on, stop. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Go. Terrible. It ain't gonna. Terrible, terrible idea.
Good?
Yeah.
Dude, it's literally coming out of the...
I can't believe it fired up. Look at all the mud coming out of it.
Dude, it looked like a little water faucet when you first started it.
Well, I've got the heat blazing here. Huge shout out.
Feel right here already.
Yeah. When I said like
hot, dude.
putting the top up here, you guys haven't seen like shop updates and things, but putting this big tarp, banner,
You need to
whatever
put a
it
vent
is.
up there so that smoke gets out of the building.
Well, it doesn't usually go, but when you first kick it off, that's when it does. Because you got to figure it's burning the cardboard, which is a lot more smoky than the wood is. But anyway, we're warming up here by the fire. I had to change completely my outfit because I was absolutely cold and couldn't handle it anymore. Huge shout out to Andy, Diablo Formula Racing. Definitely go check him out. Give him a comment, give him a like, give him a subscribe because he deserves it for today.
We've all been doing this shit way too fucking long.
Yeah.
Like literally, we've been suffering at YouTube for way too many years, man.
Definitely. Go follow Mud Junkie 99 as always. But also, when you do follow them, make sure you comment down there and tell them to start sending it. They didn't send it. I sent it. I got stuck, and obviously I'm the one out money as always. So with that being said, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.